Hello. In a previous video, I demonstrated how to use my CMake script to build an OLC pixel game engine application for the web using Emscripten. And everything seemed to be working just fine, until this happened. It turns out the Emscripten package available through Chocolatey is mildly out of date, version 3.1.12, which was released back in May of 2022. And you might be thinking, Moros, that's only 3 months ago. And you're right, but it turns out that this particular release had a bug that's causing our builds to fail. The developers have since resolved this bug, which means that all we need to do is update our installation of Emscripten. You might be thinking, whoa, this is going to be easy. Chocolatey has an upgrade feature, right? Well, yes it does, but unfortunately, the way Emscripten was packaged, it doesn't actually update the internals of the Emscripten SDK. So we have to do that ourselves. So let's get into it. First, we're going to launch a command prompt. Then type the following command to navigate to the SDK directory. Type the following command to ensure we have the latest version of the Emscripten tools. If you receive an error message about dubious ownership, let's add an exception to our Git configuration. Fortunately for us, Git has given us the exact command we need to run to do this. Just copy and paste it. Now let's try to pull the latest version of Emscripten tools again. Now we want to use Emscripten's tools to install and activate the latest version of the Emscripten SDK. Type the following command to install the latest SDK. Type the following command to activate the latest SDK. You are now using the latest version of the Emscripten SDK.